Hey everyone! In this video, I am going to be doing Wendy Marvell from Fairy Tale. So please stick to the end, like, subscribe to support for more future cosplay makeup tutorials, and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying a basic layer of makeup. So it would consist of using concealer and foundation. The next thing I'm going to be doing is applying some eyeliner. Make sure you have a reference photo with you, so you make sure that you are doing it correctly. Once you are done applying the mascara, you're going to be using some blue eyeshadow to cover in both of your eyebrows. Once you are done, I'm going to be doing a little bit of contouring. The first thing I'm doing is adding a little bit of highlights, and afterwards I'm going to be contouring my face a little. What I'm going to be using for my Ulta contour kit is the Luster Highlighter and the Warmth Bronze. And there you have it. This is the Wendy Marvell makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoy, like, and subscribe to support for more future videos. Thank you and goodbye.